Hey guys, welcome to my home kitchen. This is Lulu. Stir-fry shredded potatoes and carrots. It's another fantastic vegetable dish that also is perfect for warm days. This is a quick, simple, and incredibly flavorful recipe. This delightful combination promises a light yet a satisfying experience. It will tantalize your taste buds as well as satisfying your vegetable cravings. Let's begin with remove potato skin and shred potato into thin slices. I'm using 3 medium-sized red skin potato. Russet potato is also a great choice for this dish. Definitely use a potato shredder to shred them into thin slices. Mine is too old and rusty, so I have to manually shred potato today. Soak the shredded potatoes in cold water immediately to prevent discoloration. This step also helps to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. And next is a shredded carrot. I used a half carrot today. Helpful tip to enhance the flavor and texture of the carrots is sprinkle a little bit of salt over the shredded carrots and mix well. Allow them to sit for a couple minutes, and this step helps to soften the carrots, allow them to absorb flavors more deeply during the stir-fry process. Mince 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Also mince quarter of onion. I use white skin onion. You may also use red skin or yellow onion as well. Then cut scallions 2 to 3 inches in length. I used the 4 green parts of scallions. Not only do the green parts provide a visually appealing touch, they also releasing their aroma more quickly. Next, let's prepare a simple stir-fry sauce. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon peppercorn oil. This is definitely optional if you're not into peppercorn flavor. 1 tablespoon white vinegar, or you may use rice vinegar, and half tablespoon of black vinegar. Then mix them really well. Stir-fry sauce is ready. Before we start stir-fry, make sure to drain shredded potato. Also squeeze out excess water from carrots after salted for a couple minutes. So it's important to have all your ingredients gathered right next to the stove when preparing a stir-fry dish, since the stir-fry process is fast-paced and requires quick handling of each ingredient. Having everything within arm's reach ensures a seamlessly cooking experience. This stir-fry requires 4 dry chilies and half tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn. Give a stir-fry sauce another mix, and then we're ready to turn on the stove. Over medium to high heat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of any neutral oil in a skillet. Wait until you can see the light smoke, then add in dry chili and Sichuan peppercorn. Give a few tosses until peppercorn and chili release aroma, then add in garlic. Stir around about a minute, then add in minced onion. Continuing stir around about a minute until onion gets softened and also become a light brown color. Then add in few green parts of scallions. Toss around for a few seconds while combine all ingredients together to release all their aroma, then add in shredded potatoes. Once the shredded potatoes hit the wok, it's essential to stir-fry them continuously for about 2 minutes. This step allowing the potatoes to release their moisture. By keeping the potatoes in a constant motion, we encourage the moisture to evaporate, resulting in a desirable crunch and a crispiness in the shredded potatoes. Then add shredded carrots after 2 minutes stir-fry. Keep stirring continuously for an additional 2 minutes. The carrots will absorb the flavors that have developed with the potatoes. The result will be well-balanced sweetness of the carrots intertwines with the savory notes of the potatoes. Pour stir-fry sauce in after 2 minutes. Add half tablespoon of salt. Add all of the scallions. From here, we can turn stove to medium heat, continuing stir-fry, tossing around for additional minute. Then turn off the stove, using remaining heat to continuing stir-fry for about another 2 minutes before serving. If you like a little more kick and spicy, add some chili oil here. Toss around in the wok with all ingredients together. Or you may wait until after transfer this dish to a plate, then garnish with the chili oil on top. We can't have a vegetable stir-fry without chili oil in Sichuan, so whenever I do this dish, I always like to garnish with the chili oil on top, just to give that extra flavor. There you have it! The delectable stir-fry shredded potatoes and carrots are now ready to be enjoyed. This quick and simple dish combines the crispy texture of the potatoes with the vibrant sweetness of the carrots, all infused with a delightful medley of flavors. Whether you are looking for a light and a refreshing meal or a flavorful side dish, this recipe has got you covered. And thank you for watching. I look forward to share more delicious recipe with you here. Until next time, happy cooking!